Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve offline on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve offline on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.